anytime.
Oh, okay. We're going, I guess, then. Hi. So, huh? Oh, yeah, our squeaky door. So that's probably part of the reason why we're back here is because we started on that and we were just like, let's do this.
Yeah.
We're going to start cleaning up our little fun space we had back here, our back patio, and eventually we want to get it to where it's really nice and comfortable, painted up, everything nice and painted. We probably only have enough paint for the deck and the stairs though, right?
Yeah, we might have to get some for the porch.
So we're going to get the deck and the stairs painted, nicely done, power wash, and we're just going to do a quick time lapse, so that should be fun anyway. So we're going to get started on this and hopefully knock the cleaning and power washing out today. Maybe not get to the painting, of course, because you got to let it dry out. So yeah,
Let's see how far.
Yeah, should be fun. So we got a
Nice
bit of a
day.
chaotic mess, but we'll get there, and yeah, we'll figure out the semantics here in a second and get started.
Okay. And this is, whoa.
You didn't warn me.
I didn't realize.
I'm going down the stairs.
That can go in the trash can. I think it got left out too long.
Oh no. Yeah.
Dead.
Dead. Oh, we're not using those. Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! Alright, fire and hole.
Those plugs don't work anymore?
I just don't trust them with the electricity and everything being right there. So, yeah. Go ahead, fire and hole, baby. Go!
Play with it.
Back up.
Huh?
Back up. Back up. Back over there.
What?
Over there. Back up. Do it. Just do it. Back up.
Right here?
Back up farther. Just do it. Trust me.
Why are you...
Just back up. A little bit further.
What are you doing?
Now spray me. Do it.
No.
More. Keep going. Go up and down. That feels good. Time out. Take a break.
Why?
We probably kicked the power off.
Take the power off.
Yeah, you don't hear the radio anymore, do you?
Oh. I see the lights on though.
The light is on?
Yeah. The fish tank light is on.
No, we probably kicked the power off to the living room. Is the TV off?
Yeah.
We're running the bass on the stereo, the TV, the Wi-Fi.
Yeah, there's a plug right there.
But you're using them both.
But
Power's back on. Should be anyway. For me?
yeah.
Okay.
Do the
we're back. All right, so we got the neighbors out. Everybody's enjoying the nice weather. They're playing in the pool. We're blasting our porch, cleaning it off, and we're actually moving on to the next step. We started scrubbing some of the paint off, and it is coming off really good in some spots and not coming off in others. But yeah, we've started that, and it looks great. So we're just going to go ahead and stop the scraping for a little bit. We just did a couple of test samples here and there. We're going to go ahead and move on to this next section, and then we're going to move that over here, and then we're going to move that stuff over here, and then we're going to blast all the rest of this stuff. So that should go pretty quick. We'll do a time lapse with that too, and should be a lot of fun. Makes it to where we could do a little bit more of the crafty, adventurous stuff, huh, baby? Yeah. Outdoors. Having fun. So, yep. Yeah, this is probably going to work the best for me. It's just a little rusty wire brush because it's older wood, right? So the growth rings that you can see in the wood there, you can see ridges between them. So like kind of scraping on them has been kind of difficult. So the wires actually kind of separate and go in between those grooves. So it's really helping out. I think it's the best bet. Just a little bit of water, get it wet, and it actually helps clean it up. So the best way so far anyway. We might figure out something better. So anyway, let's get on with it and get this over here. Take me out, why don't you? Oh, that works out great. All we have to do is just move that right over there when we're done. Spray all this down, and then we can move this over here. Spray all that down. So that worked out better than I thought it was. We got a big section cleared here, surprising, but that's good. And so we're going to take this whole section, start cleaning this off, and then we'll move on to that small section, get rid of that stuff. So cool.
Your turn.
Okay.
You're making fun of me. No. Jerry.
Here I come. Load them up. sure that wasp didn't like that. I don't know where he went though. Where'd he go? See, his nest is right there. Oh, there he is. Oh, I chopped his head off, I think. It's a project for another day, I think.
What?
Cleaning that. Sweet. All right. Section 3. Huh?
Time to move the other side.
Yeah. Section 3 done. Wow. Lots of fun. Last section. We are almost there. We just got this big behemoth plant stand to move, and then we'll power wash this, and this is pretty much it for the power washing stage. We might do a little bit of scraping here and there for some of the looser remnants of paint. We should probably do a little bit more of a close-up on this one to show what we're actually seeing, what we're actually cleaning off of here. We do have one board that's got a couple of really deep divots in it that should probably be replaced, and I may end up crawling underneath here. This section of the patio is actually sagging. I may want to crawl under there at some point in time and actually kind of help course it back up into place, and maybe put a post under it and do all kinds of crazy stuff and reinforce the structure that we have, so that way it is integral to the rest of the entire system that we're currently using at this point. Right? Okay, anyway, moving on. Let's get this done, get it over with. Oh, Thor had another baby. And he got eaten somehow. Interesting. Wait, wait. Don't kill him.
Rest, young one.
Oh, that board's got to slide out of it. There's 2 boards, actually. Oh, yeah. It's a product of mice. It's
or
mice.
Squirrels.
No, that's definitely mice.
That's mice?
That's definitely mice.
Jeez Louise.
Ready to go?
Yeah.
You want it first?
No, you spray it off and then I'll... Oh, should we move this guy? We have to clean this board. Will you move him because he's spiky?
E, ah, ooh, ooh, ah, e. E, ah, ooh, ah, e. All right.
That's like hundreds of acorns.
Now you shall feel my wrath. Oh wait, I want to make sure we got some camera.
Start?
Yes, you press start.
I did.
That right there. Okay, back you up a little bit. Okay. A little bit more over here. To my wrath. Let's see your feet. Stand over there. Got him. All right. Last step. I had to make sure I spelled it right. I'm just saying.
Oh, look at that.
I'm okay. I'm done.
We go all over the neighborhood and spell things and
Yes. Yeah.
instead of
Like,
clean your
right.
car, like
Yeah.
Trent and Anita.
There you have it. Good night. Just kidding. We'll be back.